Datu Health is a rapidly growing software development firm serving the healthcare industry.
We had no shared common understanding of how we should complete projects. There was no resistance to working together, but there was really no framework, no construct, no ground rules.
Really, again, was no process per se. It was every step of the process that needed to happen really was happening concurrently.
In the midst of rising customer demand for more features, developers could not keep pace with the workload. More and more programmers were added, but despite long hours and many weekends writing code, every promised delivery date was missed.
In a situation like that, you can imagine that morale is, gets stretched pretty thin, right? Nice people, dedicated people, hardworking people, but at heart they're people and they can only take so much.
Right from the start, it was clear there was no visibility into their work process or what they were doing.
The project board, essentially for me, the difference was that it changed how I collaborated with everybody. I think the best part about it was that at 9:30, I got to look at a face and say, hey, you just mentioned something. I think I can help you with that.
Like many teams under pressure, the team had started too many tasks at once, creating a hurry up and wait dilemma that clogged the workflow and slowed everything down. We had to eliminate the multitasking.
I have always, in my career, worked on multiple things at the same time. The idea that you need to slow down to speed up, that you need to focus on a single thing at a single time, is extremely powerful.
That game changer for my team and our team really is to kind of bring to the center what is it that we're trying to build and how do we stay on track to make sure that we hit that build.
The team created a managed priority system to align local priorities with business objectives and control the order of work for the programmers.
The one game changer that Pinnacle Strategies has brought forward for me is the idea of single priority. So it's not that everyone's working on only one thing at one time, but everyone is working on one thing at one time, which means that they're getting it done and they're focusing on it. They're finding the holes and gaps. If you take the time to do it, you will set the team up for success and on a course that will get you where you're trying to go.
Day 2 realigned the entire development team to a single shared objective, completing features for the client.
If we were saying, what's most important for day 2, that was often a different answer from what's the most important thing for our client. We're not dealing with the silly challenges anymore of not understanding how to work with each other and how to collaborate, but now we're actually dealing with real business challenges.
You can slowly see the team gaining confidence, gaining sort of happiness, job satisfaction, right? Feeling less burnt out. If you look at the trajectory from where we were 6 months ago to this month, it's upward. There's no doubt. Things are becoming more repeatable, more predictable. It's everything you want. Hey man, the future's pretty awesome.